Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, passenger airbag, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear head airbag, cloth seats, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, split bench seat, rear wheel drive, pass-through rear seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.